Hello, if you're watching this, that means you are watching the replay. So type hashtag replay. Happy Friday, guys. And I know I showed a sneak peek yesterday on what is coming for today. So this is something I've been wanting to do a while, but as you know, there were so many things going on, so it just kept me busy, so I couldn't do it earlier. So if you are hopping on, say hi. And what is the one thing I wanted to say for today is this month has been so what is it like so busy for me either with Senajan's voice as well as even at home, because Krish was always participating in Science Olympiad from I think third grade, so it is his third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, his fifth year. Good morning, Juhi. Thank you for hopping on. So every year, that is one competition he's always been looking at. Being COVID. Thank you, Juhi. Thank you. This is my first ever choker. I never wore choker, so this is my first one. Like I never, what is it like? Thought it will suit me, so I never ventured out. Finally a friend gifted me this for birthday again, so I was like, okay, I should try it. I always tell everybody that they should try out of their comfort zone so I should show it, right? So I thought, okay, I will wear it with this one. And because it had what is it like particular neckline, I thought this will suit it. So I don't know how it goes, but it's a silver one. Hi Da, good morning. Thank you, Sandhya. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. So that's what. So Friday today, I know you all are Charlotte people, so you know it was supposed to rain from 7 o'clock today, but it didn't rain till now, so I'm enjoying it. But still, that's one reason I didn't wear a sari for today. So I thought, okay, anyway it's going to rain, so I don't want to wear sari, so I wore a kurti again. It's from Blossom Hues. So for today, that's what I was talking about. Like this whole month, Senajan Skips is busy, but same way, Krish was occupied fully with his what's it like his Science Olympiad, and Ram is also participating as what is it like a leadership team. So it is like it kept us so busy for the whole month. So I couldn't follow up and say thank you to everybody who cheered me the whole month, because there were tons of things happening. And thank you, Srividya. That's what I was saying. It is gifted from a friend for my birthday, so I am just using one by one, and sometimes it has to happen. Good morning, Meenakshi. Thank you so much for hopping on. I know you're West Coast, so thank you. And so I wanted to do something special, but since I won both my seminar and the suitcase which is already coming, I will show you guys once it arrives, because I didn't buy anything for the 12 years since I reached here, and this is the first time I got a new suitcase. And now I don't have to worry about when it comes in the conveyor belt, because no one else has to have. Thank you, Meenakshi. Thank you so much. Today I don't know whether, I think Juhi knows, I did one, what is that called? I forgot the name of it. It is rust with the Mystic Mask. I think I wore already. So this here I did reverse. I did rust, but I did Mystic Mask all over. This is for people like me who doesn't like to, who has steady hands for eyeliner. Today I didn't wear eyeliner, but still I made it smoky. Thank you, Akshara. Thank you so much. It's that's what I was talking about. I think all the colors are there, but thank you, Shakti. Thank you so much for hopping on. So it is like for people who doesn't do like a steady hand for a pencil eyeliner or liquid eyeliner. You can see I didn't wear eyeliner, but what I did is I used the Onyx in my waterline top and bottom. That gives that smoky look still you want. Thank you, Shakti. Thank you so much. It is actually one of my friends, Sangeeta, gifted me. You know Sanu, so she gifted me for birthday. I never bought choker so far, so I still what to say like. I'm not a buyer who buys like, okay, I have this dress and I need to go buy this kind of like, I randomly pick whenever I like. So I don't, unless the day comes and I wore that dress, I don't match it priorly. So when she gave me, I didn't know which one to pair to, but when I wore this one, because this is again has all silver what to say like the detailing all over, so I thought, okay, this will go with that. Yeah, this is the first choker, I would say. I have got one more to pair it with the Sandhya, but I'm yet to wear it because from today to next week, it was supposed to rain in Charlotte for one whole week. Being in Charlotte, we are. Good morning, Prashanti. Thank you so much for hopping on. Okay, let me start. I know I've been distracted. So what I'm going to do is, let me first show you what you are going to give for the sale that's going to happen from today to Sunday. It's my favorite Jeffree Star makeup brush set. You can see how pretty it is. It's a complete brush set. I will open it and show you. Me and my son are like very big fans of Taco Bell. If you have seen Jeffree Star's, I don't know whether you know, Jeffree Star is a very big in makeup, and he has his own line too, like eyeshadows, everything, and he has his own brushes and everything. So he's a very big fan of Taco Bell like us. So me and my son used to be very crazy about Taco Bell, and we get scoldings from my husband because if he comes and asks like, what are we going to pick for today, we both will be like, we'll go to Taco Bell. And that's how we used to be. Slowly we are trying to cut down, but when Jeffree Star has a vlog where he went to Taco Bell's resort in California. We both always used to say it was not open to public that time. It was open to only celebrities kind. So he went and he did what to say like a vlog in there, like so we both were obsessed to see the vlog. And so here is the beautiful bag. So this is what you are going to get. What I'm going to do is, I will explain. Before that, I will show the beautiful brush sets. You can see it has everything for you to start off for what is it like eye look, any eye look. Basically, if you have a very good set of brushes, you are all set for your eye look. This is my favorite, I think. So you can see it's that's how I did my eyebrows all the time. I use rustic brown. So this is the brush you can use for that, and you always comb it through. So you have a brush for that, and you have plenty of brushes for blending. This one is for packing the color. If you need like how dark it is, so you're going to use this shade. And what else? You have even an eyeliner brush. Similarly, if you're using Shadow Sense as a eyeliner, oh, I don't know whether you can see. Yeah, you can see. You can use the brush for using it as an eyeliner, and there are like tons. As I said, even you can even use this brush and use as for your waterline. If you're using Shadow Sense for your waterline, you will use this brush. So this is the giveaway price I'm going to give for the sale. So let's say what we are going to do. So what I was thinking is, let's do every $250 grab, I'll be giving away one of these brushes for every $250. So hi Prabha, good morning. Thank you so much, Prabha. This is my first choker. I never wore one, so I am always conscious that it will make my my neck little bigger, maybe, I don't know. So I was always holding off. So finally, when someone gifted, I was like, okay, it's time for me to try on. So that's the one I did. So for every $250, I'll be giving away one bag of the brush sets. Hi Satya, thank you so much. I was like, I didn't even think about, if it is a sari, I will plan the whole week. Like, I mean, I know what I'm going to wear. Like, I will think about what jewel accessories I'm pairing and all those stuff. Hi Farah, thank you so much. It's another gift for my birthday, Farah, so I used it. And so let me say about it. So every $50 you buy, you get one entry into the raffle. So every 250 we will do that, and $100 or more, you get free shipping, and you can pick any of the makeup bags. I think people whoever got these kind of bags, they all are obsessed about it. Yes, Prabha, I know. That's what, like, sometimes we advise everybody else, like my son and all, like, there you need to try and all. But when it comes to us, it takes time for me that too. Like, I'm so conscious about it. And so finally, I gave it a try and I liked it actually, because this dress had more of a silver detail. So I thought, okay, pairing it with a silver. I had another sari in mind which I wanted to pair it with, like a black sari. Then I thought this dress had that neckline which suits for it. So so first, every $50 gets you an entry into the giveaway, and every $250 one person will get it. So if we are doing 500, then I'll be giving away 2. If we do 1000, we'll be giving away 4. So depends on how much we do the sale. Let's do it. And as I said, $100 or more, you get to pick, you get anything from the, what is it, like the makeup bag. And then 150 or more, I always add a free gift and also free samples for every order. So plan yours and ping me. I don't wanted to post the colors and all because we already did. So what I'm going to do, hi Divya, thank you so much. I was about to ping you. I know you might have been came back, so hope you had a wonderful time in India. Hi Kusuma, thank you so much for all the love. Thank you, dear. So what else? You all push me to the limits, I think, because I am in my cocoon. I never step out of it. Even I'm a homeboard, nobody believes that I love to stay home, because since I get ready every single day, so they always think that I'm what is it, like extrovert and go out, but I always call myself an introvert. I can stay home. Thank you so much, Fa. That is so nice of you to say. Oh, that's so sweet. You are always there to cheer me on. So that is what I was telling even everybody yesterday, because when I come here, it feels so special to me, because I feel like I can connect with so many of you who really wish good in a positive spirit, which really makes my day. So thank you, Kusuma. So that is the reason I get ready every day, because I get that question all time, like, how do you get ready all 5 days? Like, I'll be like, no, see, it is when you have a place where you love to be there, and where you get so much motivation and so much positivity, then you will always show up. There is no need for you to slag, or there is no need to, what is it, like, think negative. Thank you, thank you. Same here too. So you all cheer me, you all give best compliments, and you all know how you can lift other women. So that is the main thing. The group itself, if you see, my Friday posts are particularly for that, because here we are openly share. We don't what is it, like have to have anything to think about, okay, what is they are going to say, what how do they react to this, all those stuff. When someone posts the picture, be happy to cheer on. You never know who needed that, because they might be going through so many things. But hi Kirti, thank you so much. Thank you. So you never know what your one line will make a change in their life. So always make sure to give that compliments. I always say Farah does it so much. Like, I mean, she posts so many positive comments, I mean, quotes and all. I am that kind of a person. I am more into philosophy. I like to read about all those kind of positive things from the book or listen to. So I really enjoy those kind of posts. when you start your day with those kind of things, it uplifts you and motivates you. I know many of the West Coast people always tell me, like, when we get up itself we see you in full form, so we'll also get cheered. Thank you, Kirti. Thank you so much. Because no, that is what end of day we all matters, right? Being a person who dealt with depression 3 years back, that's why I always share my old pictures, and it is always there, because you always have to cherish what journey you take and how much it took you to come to that stage. It makes more sense, because to look back and appreciate yourself too. Definitely, far definitely. I always used to have what is it, like believe in be kind to one another. That is the best thing we can do. There is nothing to lose, and you always gain more. That's how I feel each day. So that's all about the sale. I think today I'm wearing sheer red with red glitter gloss. So that's the shade I wore, because I wanted again a matte shade to go with my eye look. My eye look is very, very simple. I have rust in my crease. Rust is, I think all these shades are here. I brought it, but I kept it there. I think Cloudy was about to sleep, so I kept it there and came here. I forgot to bring it, but it's very simple. It just has rust in the crease and Mystic Moss, which is my favorite shade, because this dress had all these floral patterns all over, and so I wanted to match the green here. So that's the one reason I used Mystic Moss. But what I did is I did Onyx, which is the black Shadow Sense color, on the edge to darken it up, and I also used it on the bottom, and I have used it in my waterline. That way it still gives the smoky look without even using the eyeliner, liquid or pencil. If you are comfortable, you can still do that. If you want to, you can always do like a black pencil liner or a black liquid liner on top of this, and it will look good. And I have used golden pencil in my inner corner. That's a one trick that will make your eye pop more. So always make sure you use a lighter shade in your inner corners, and that will give that eye look more elevated looks too. So that's the one. So hope you all are ready to jump in and win these. Don't miss this, because here you have even the details about each brush on what to use and all. And I can always guide you too, because once you get one of these brush sets, you will use Shadow Sense more and more, because you will just get like a brush cleaner, and you can use it in tons of ways. And whether you are using a color for your color correction, whether you are using it for contouring, whether you use it for even on your lips, everything is set in this bag. And I love the pouch. It's a pretty pink pouch, and it's from Morphe. So don't miss the chance to win it. As I said, I am get ready to do the giveaways. I can give away as much you guys grab. So that's the one, because I wanted to really thank you. And I know people who get these are good ones. Yes, yeah, Kusuma, that's what I used to say, because these are cream to powder. So once you invest on these brushes, whether it's a foundation brush or whether it's an eye brush, once you invest, you will use it for, I think mine, I have it almost close to 2.5 years now. So I just clean them in between. I can even share the cleaners I use. I use the brush cleaner from ours for deep cleaning once in a week or once in 2 weeks, depending on my time. I need to plan, Prashanti. Actually, they all are meeting in Orlando for April 24th, but I didn't go. They were like, you won the seminar registration and you won the bags and you didn't come, because they all are going to be in one big house, because our seminar, which is our annual award ceremony, all those stuff is going to be in April. But since since it was I think 2 days before or something, they changed it to all virtual, so it's going to be full virtual again. But what our team is doing is, our team is meeting in Florida in a big Airbnb house, and they all are going to watch together. I didn't go actually. I need to plan sometime, or I think my Indian trip will be the first time I'll be carrying it. That's what I was saying. Like, it will be the first easy thing to grab in my conveyor belt, because so far we always had the dark blue ones, the black ones, all those. So having a lip luggage will be really good, so that way no one else has it. So and what else for the, yes, today another promotion has popped up. I forgot to post. I need to catch up, because I think Pearlizer was 15% off online. So if you haven't tried our Pearlizer, I know I have had many samples that went away. Hi Bhavna, thank you so much for hopping on. I didn't give any heads up, I just hopped on actually. Yes, Juki, they even gave me two colors actually. They gave red and hot pink. I was like, if I get hot pink, my son will not even touch the luggage. So I picked the red. So all three are going to be in red with red lips. So it's already shipped. So it should be anytime here. If it comes, I'll show you guys in my next live for sure. Brand ambassador for the lip luggage, Prashanti. Which one, I don't know. So that's all about it. So if you are looking for thank you so much, Bhavna. It's a cotton dress. I think this year I'm enjoying all these cotton outfits more. Hope this winter was, since the winter was so harsh, I hope the summer is good, so that way I can flaunt all these cotton dresses outside. Hi Shobna, thank you so much for hopping on. All West Coast people are giving their attendance. I'm so happy. Hi Nidhi, thank you so much for the love. And thank you Bhavna. It's a gift actually. It's a gift for my birthday, so I wore it. Hi Nidhi, good morning. How are you feeling, Nidhi? Are you fine? Like, I know you twisted your ankle. How are you? And so that's all about the sale. So every 250 I'll be raffling out the complete eye brush set with 10 brushes in it. And so if we do more, I'll be giving every 250 one person will get this. And Monday morning anyway, I need to do the what is that, top contributor giveaway for which month it is. It is February still, right? Yes, it's February, so that's one I need to do. Yeah, so that is all about it. Oh, so the sale is right away, so you can grab. If you are anyways stocking up on skincare, you can always do, because anyway you will get free shipping. You will get to enter every $50 for this one. Sorry Bhavna, I'll be making a post, Bhavna, anyway. I can repeat it too. So every $50 you get an entry to for the raffle. Every $250 I will be giving away one. So if you do 500, I will give him two. If we do 750, I will do three. Like that. How much ever we do, I will do it. And every $100 is free shipping. Also you get to pick any makeup bags. I have tons of colors if you like. Yeah, okay Shobna, that's what I was saying. So $50 gets you a raffle ticket for everything. $100 gets you free shipping along with this. $150 again a free accessory I will be adding, and then free samples to go with every order. And you all know I always add tons of things along with it. Even though I don't list, I have a whole set of things I always like to add. So that's all it is about. So hope you all have something wish list in mind. If you have, please don't wait. You can always grab it. And what else? That's all. So you all enjoy your Friday. I don't know whether I can go for walking. I started my 90 days and I am up for 4 days so far. Today is the 5th day. It's supposed to rain from 12 o'clock to 100%. So I don't know whether I can go for a walk before that. It's already 10 o'clock. Let me see whether I can go or not. So you all enjoy your Friday. Please do ping me for the sale things and let's kick it. And I'm ready to ship it too. So let's see who will be the first winner to grab that. Yeah. Thank you, Bhavna. Thank you so much. Actually, see, you all, what is it like? You get what you receive, right? So I receive so much positivity, so I like to give it back. If you can make somebody's day, that's all it matters. So have a wonderful day, guys. See you all soon.